What's up, Pepe holders? In this quick video, I will show you what 50 million Pepe coins, currently worth $683, are most likely going to be worth by the end of the cycle. So by the end of the bull run, let's say the end of 2025. That is my estimate. And let's get straight into the content. So currently, as I said, 50 million Pepe coins will cost you approximately, it varies a little bit, but let's say $681 here from the point of recording. Now, currently, Pepe has a market dominance of 0.17%. This is Pepe's market dominance here on the weekly scale. So every candlestick is 1 week. And you can see that Pepe peaked there. It was in, I think, November of last year around... Yeah, it was actually November. And guys, I'm a little bit under the weather here, so bear with me. But Pepe's dominance peaked at 0.36%, 36%. And what is interesting here, we had this downward sloping resistance, multiple touch points, and currently Pepe broke its downtrend in terms of the market dominance. So I think we are going to retest the previous market dominance, which is a move upwards of 110% from our current position. Now, I think it's important to compare Pepe to something like Dogecoin, for example. This is Dogecoin's market dominance on the monthly scale. And why am I comparing the two with each other? That is because Dogecoin is currently the biggest meme coin, as you can see over here on spot number 8 with a $33 billion market cap. Now, if we go to Pepe, we can see that Pepe is on spot number 25. Not too bad, doing pretty well here with a market cap of 5.7 billion. It's also important to note that the total cryptocurrency market cap currently sits at 3.43 trillion, and it is very likely that the total cryptocurrency market cap will also double, at least double, by the end of the cycle. That is currently the estimate that I am going to use here in my different scenarios here for Pepe. Now, scenario number 1, and that assumes that a total cryptocurrency market cap doubles, so to 6.86 trillion, very conservative, very realistic. And this is actually a very moderate, I would say conservative scenario. In this scenario, I'm actually comparing Dogecoin with Pepe, and the current Dogecoin market dominance is currently 1%, as I just showed you. So look at this, guys. You can see this is Dogecoin's market dominance currently at 0.99%, so 1%, and it peaked in 2021 at 4%. Now, I'm going to compare Pepe with Dogecoin. Now, if we take Dogecoin current market dominance of 1%, and if we divide that with current Pepe's market dominance, which is 0.17%. I just showed you that over here. You can see Pepe currently owns 0.17% of the entire cryptocurrency market cap. Now, if we divide the two with each other, then we get to a 5.8 multiplier, which means that Pepe's market dominance needs to multiply by 5.8 to get to Doge's current market dominance. Now, if we take that number, the 5.8 multiplier, and if we actually multiply that with the current price of Pepe, then we get to this price here, a lot of zeros, and then 7917. Now, we have 50 million Pepe coins currently worth $683. If we multiply that with this number, then we get to a price of $3,958 for 50 million Pepe coins if we get to that 1% dominance, which Dogecoin currently has. Now, I hope you guys can follow along with this. It is quite complicated, a lot of numbers here, but bear with me, you will get a very good understanding. Now, this is the number you get, and you also need to multiply this number by 2 because we are going to assume that the total cryptocurrency market cap will double, which is conservative, but that is my moderate case scenario. Then we'll get to $7,916 for 50 million Pepe coins by the end of the cycle. And that means that your $683 investment in Pepe will multiply by 11.59 here, I would say, by the rest of the year here of 2025, which is of course an amazing return on investment. I would take it all day long, guys. But once again, this is a conservative scenario. This scenario only assumes that the total cryptocurrency market cap will double this year and that Pepe will get to a market dominance which Dogecoin currently has. Now, obviously, Dogecoin will increase further in value. And now, guys, before I actually continue with my second scenario, which is extremely bullish, first of all, guys, if you're looking for a way to purchase or to trade Pepe or any other altcoin, then sign up to Phoenix. Use my link down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses for my community exclusively. Very attractive trading fees. Also, keep in mind, Phoenix is an A-book exchange, which puts them in the same category library as Bybit, Binance, Coinbase, for example. I use it all the time, so definitely check it out. The link is down below. And also, as some of you might know, recently I started a new free trade signal group in collaboration with the Phoenix Exchange, because I believe the coming 2 to 3 months in crypto is definitely where the opportunity is, and you want to take full advantage of this opportunity. And that's why I'm sharing my day trade strategy, my scalp trade strategy over there, which you can literally copy. There's also a community chat where you can talk to me directly or to the other members. It's completely for free. It's the first link down below in the video description. Check it out if you're interested. And let me now continue here with the second scenario for Pepe, and I have to adjusted this because this is actually the second scenario, and this one is much more bullish. In this scenario, I'm also pretty conservative with the total cryptocurrency market cap. I'm just gonna go with the double here, but maybe this could even triple. And if that happens, Pepe will of course go much higher. But in this scenario, I will take Dogecoin's market dominance from the peak of 2017. And let me show you, this is Dogecoin's market dominance chart. And back in 2021, in May 2021, the dominance of Dogecoin peaked at 4%. So Dogecoin owned nearly 4% of the entire cryptocurrency market cap. So in this scenario, I'm gonna divide the 4% with Pepe's current market dominance, which is 0.17%, and then we'll get to a 23.5 multiplier. And that basically means that it will take the current Pepe's market dominance 23.5 times to get to Doge market dominance from the peak of 2021. And if we take that 23.5 multiplier, and if we multiply that with Pepe's current price, we'll get to this price, 3 zeros and then 32078. If we take the 50 million Pepe coins once again, and if we multiply that with that price, then we get to $16,038. And we also need to multiply that by 2, because we are going to assume that the total cryptocurrency market cap will at least double by the end of the cycle. And then we'll get to $32,077 here for your Pepe coin investment. And guys, we're talking about a $683 investment, and that can get to $32,000 here by the end of the cycle. Let that sink in. That's about almost a 47x on your investment. Very significant, very bullish, of course. I don't know if Pepe is going to get to Doge 4% dominance. That is of course very hard to predict. I think 1% is definitely in the cards here for Pepe, but who knows, maybe we'll get to 4%, maybe 3%, maybe the total cryptocurrency market cap is not only going to double, maybe it's going to triple. Guys, who knows, but this is definitely a possibility. It's a very bullish case scenario. You let me know in the comments what you think. Are you more in favor of scenario 2, or are you more in favor of scenario 1? Are you going to take this very conservatively? Where are you going to take profits? Let me know in the comments, guys. Also, let me know if you want to see more of this content about Pepe or other meme coins as well. Let me know your suggestions in the comment section down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Also, if you're not already following me over on my Instagram, definitely do so. The official link is down below. Keep in mind, there are many scammers, impersonators. This is my official account. The official link is also down below in the video description. I'm posting a lot of market updates, Q&A sessions over there. So if you're interested, definitely check it out, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you very soon with another Pepe update. Bye bye.